In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build event websites using Wix. If you're hosting a conference, workshop, or community meetup, a clear, polished website helps people understand your event and register quickly. We'll move from blank account to a live site you can share the same day. First, head to wix.com, log into your account, and from My Sites choose Create New Site. Starting fresh keeps your event separate from any other projects you have. If you're new to Wix, the interface is friendly, and you can always come back to adjust anything later. Next, pick a template designed specifically for events. In the template categories, choose Events. Then browse layouts that match your vibe: corporate, creative, or festival. Selecting something close to your style saves time, because colors, fonts, and sections will already fit the mood you're going for. Open your choice by clicking Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. This is a simple drag and drop space where you can change text, swap images, and rearrange sections. Get familiar with the left panel for pages, the Add button for elements, and the top bar for undo, redo, and save. Quick note: since this is a website, you'll find a link to Wix at the top of the description so you can follow along. Now add your event's essentials. Replace placeholder text with the event name, date and time, and location. Include the time zone and a map if it's in person, or a streaming link if it's virtual. Add a short agenda to set expectations, and spotlight your speakers with photos, titles, and brief bios. Use high-quality images or a short promo video to make the page inviting, and keep everything scannable with clear headings. Set up registration so attendees can sign up without friction. Add Wix events or a trusted third-party app from the app market. Configure your ticket options: free, paid, or RSVP, set capacity limits, and customize the form fields to collect only what you truly need. Turn on confirmation emails and, if relevant, enable reminders. Before moving on, do a quick test registration to confirm the process feels smooth. When your content looks good, preview your site on desktop and mobile. Scroll through slowly, check every link and button, and ensure text is readable on small screens. If something feels off, jump back and tweak it. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. Your site goes live instantly and can start accepting registrations right away. That's it. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.